To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Hello! In this video, we will learn about consonant blends. The consonants C and K make the K sound. K. Duck, duck. Clock, clock. Rocket, rocket. The girl has a toy rocket. The girl has a toy rocket. The consonants Q and U make the Qu sound. Qu. Queen, queen. Quilt, quilt. The queen has a big quilt. The queen has a big quilt. The consonants S, Q, and U make the Squ sound. Squ. Square, square. Squid, squid. The big squid can swim fast. The big squid can swim fast. The consonants M and P make the mp sound. Mp. Lamp, lamp. Camp, camp. I bring a lamp to the camp. I bring a lamp to the camp.